Hello and welcome again. This is my card art with 14 more ideas for your Christmas cards. I'm starting off with an adorable little train with a lot of shimmer and shine, of course, and little kitties having a snowball fight. Look how cute they are. I love little animals. They're so adorable. And this one is little children singing and angels watching over our world. We can never have too many angels watching over us. And we can never have too many songs. And of course, you have to have deers and have a holly jolly Christmas. Aren't they cute? They're just facing in each other, almost like kissing. And glory to God in the highest on this card, with some old-fashioned caroling singers, carolers, and poinsettia with tiny little snowflakes. And in the middle, faith is not believing that God can, but it's knowing that He will. And some songs on the bottom, of course, and a little close-up to you for you to see. And the Nativity with the three kings, and of course the angel right on top of the Nativity, and just a bunch of little details. A shepherd, and of course the little animals again. And another nativity, and on this one, on the back of the burrow, I did put a cross on him. I'm sure you know the story. If you don't, you might want to look it up or just ask me. And I reused the same faith is not believing that God can. It is knowing that He will. I reused that same stamp here with angels. Aren't they adorable? And just poinsettia with a lot of glitter. And I didn't fill it all the way in just to show you that it still looks good if you leave a little white. You don't have to be perfect in your cards. Just make them with a lot of love. That's all that matters. Here, I really like this postcard style design. And the middle, I used an off-white paper. See the difference? It's really off-white, so it really makes it pop. And on this next one, it's a cute little angel holding a bunch of flowers. Poinsettias again. It's ascending prayers. Look at this. Isn't that cute? It's like sending a bunch of love around. And of course, Santa Claus, because he does deliver a lot of gifts. And look, on the background, I rolled and I tore the paper, and I made a little bit of a quilling card in the corner, that little yellow piece of paper. And I folded some of the paper back to make it look really antique-y and old-fashioned. And some I just tore and tucked in. And here, it's Peace on Earth with the little woodland animals. And of course, a little paper bow as well. See? Simple and cute. I think it's cute. And look, be kind to one another. Another little bow. This one I add a little bit of glimmer to it. Little shimmer, little shine. And of course, it's always nice to be kind to one another. And this one is just a cute little puppy. Look at that face with a little tongue hanging out. It's just the cutest. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And that kind of says it all. You guys, thank you for watching. Merry Christmas. Thanks for all the comments and your subscriptions. And thank you, thank you, thank you. Merry Christmas. God bless you all. Take care. Bye.